This video is for organizations that are leveraging Diarybook's powerful messaging service by syncing appointment data with the platform. It is designed to show users how to access appointment reminders for specific clinic modalities assigned to them. So how does it work? Let's start with a single example. Appointments are synced or copied from the original location, such as a hospital patient management system, to Diarybook. The appointment comes with a clinic code, also known as a sync code. This can represent a specific modality, department, location, or any other collection of appointment types. In this example, appointments with a code of CUS are being synced. When the appointment arrives to Diarybook, the code tells Diarybook how to process it. Here, the appointment is being assigned to user Sean, and it is assigned an appointment type of cardiology. Diarybook knows what reminder to send, and to send it 5 and 10 days before the appointment date. It also knows to allow the patient to reply to the reminder. Once the appointment is synced, it is processed and a text reminder is sent to the patient asking them to reply with a confirmation that they are attending. When the patient replies, the message is automatically read, looking for keywords, and the appointment's confirmation status is changed accordingly. This allows any user, in this example, Sean, to easily see which patients will attend their appointments and give an early warning of which patients will not. Diarybook isn't limited to just one user. You can configure it so that multiple users, like Sean and his team, can view and manage each other's appointments. For example, if Sean and his colleagues are part of the cardiology department, you can set permissions to allow them to see or even modify one another's schedules. So how do you access Diarybook? When your account administrator adds you to the account, you will receive a welcome email. Follow the instructions to set a password for your Diarybook profile. To access Diarybook, open your favorite browser and type in portal.diarybook.com and press enter. On the sign-in screen, enter in your email address and password and click the sign-in button. Certain types of organizations may see this screen. That gives the option of using the desktop version. Please just click continue to use the latest version. Here, I've signed in as user Sean. When I click on the clock icon to view appointments, the list displayed will only show appointments assigned to Sean, as this user is set up to only see his own appointments. In the list, each row represents an appointment. On the left are some status symbols. A green arrow pointing up and right indicates a reminder has been sent out for this appointment. A grey arrow pointing left and down indicates a reply has been received. The circle icon represents the appointment's confirmation status. Green means confirmed, red means unable to attend, and yellow means maybe or tentative. A grey circle indicates no status has been given to an appointment. Note that the column on the far right shows the status in text. When a reply is received, Diarybook reads it looking for keywords and changes the appointment's confirmation status automatically. In the following columns, you can see the date and time of the appointment, the patient's name, the appointment type or modality, and who the appointment is assigned to. Please note, in the context of synced appointments, there is no appointment duration, and so the end time matches the start time. We can view more information by clicking on an appointment. I'll click on the appointment with the red circle. The appointment screen opens and we can see details of the appointment that was synced from source. We can also see the reminder message that was sent and reply that was received. I can click on the next appointment in the list without closing the appointment screen first to view the same type of information. In this appointment, no reply was received and a user has changed the confirmation status to maybe. So, how to change the confirmation status of an appointment? In the list, select one or more appointments by ticking the boxes in the margin. Then, click on the Appointments menu. Select Change Confirmation Status, and in the list provided, select the appropriate one. To view a different day, expand the Area submenu and select the date. You can keep the submenu expanded by clicking the pin icon. To view all replies relating to appointments for a given day, click the Received item in the submenu. Here you see all the reply messages, and again, you can click on each to open the appointment record, but this time under the SMS tab. Here you can choose to reply back to the patient or manage the appointment using the other tabs. Now, just a note on the situation when a client has multiple appointments on the same day. Here we have a limitation of SMS, the small messaging service. For example, when we send 2 message reminders to a patient's phone, if they reply, it is unclear to which message they are responding to. SMS lacks context. In this scenario, Diarybook will log the reply with each appointment, mark it as a maybe, and will add a note that the client's intention is unclear. Finally, let's take a quick look at adding users to your Diarybook account. It's recommended that you organize your users into departments, particularly for large accounts where a lot of appointments can be synchronized from source. Click on the Settings menu item and choose Departments. To add a department, simply click the Add Department button and assign it a name in the box provided. Next, click on the Users menu item and click the Add New button. Enter the user's first name, last name and email address. Select the department in the drop-down provided. Then scroll down to the General Permissions section. This is where you assign privileges to the user. For a standard user that can only access their own appointments, tick the Can Take Appointments option. If you want to allow the user to see and/or make changes to other users' appointments who are in their department, tick the Can View Department Appointments and can edit Department Appointments options. Then click Save. A welcome email will be sent to the user's email address, granting them access to your Diarybook account. And that concludes this video, your guide to managing appointments in a fully synced Diarybook environment. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with your team, you now have the tools to streamline scheduling, stay organized, and keep everyone on the same page. Thanks for watching.